proud owners of our H28 heli.
Watch as we make some fun episodes of us sailing up and down the coast of New Zealand
as we explore another way of life. Good morning. Woken up early. We stayed at
It's over here.
Marina.
Gulf, just outside Gulf Harbour.
Gulf Harbour, that's right. I'm now going to Tiritiri. It's a bird sanctuary, so nice sunrise. No coffee. Stay hydrated.
We picked up my parents and we headed on out. 5 days sailing together. It's great to have another couple hands around the boat, and I think they fared the rough seas pretty well.
Made it to Tiritiri. Tiritiri, Matangi Island. Bit of a cloudy day here.
What birds are those? Saddleback. Nice cool noise. That's one. You hear that?
What's that?
See that? Like here? That one?
What's that fluffy one? Is that just a baby?
The bellbird.
The bellbird here.
Oh, okay.
There's a stitch bird there too. They're usually pretty rare.
Bellbirds for their noise are unimpressive, unfortunately. Yeah, their noise is incredible. Those ones in the cage, what are they?
Bellbirds.
They don't.
Nature with Dan.
Big fat pigeon. All the tuies.
Going the right way.
The taka cake. Whatever.
Taka, hey?
It's like
Very ancient. Oh, big nice walk around Tiri, saw lots of birds. Didn't see the kokako, which is a shame, but yeah, big walk. Now Kate just hands me this absolute stonk of a feed. Pretty excited. Yeah, it's a little taka, hey? Cool. You know what it is? Just sailing from Tiri to Kawaua.
in the water. Oh my gosh.
time that I get a chance to close my eyes. If you're gonna make it soon, maybe we could get our room. But I need some rest from gloom, otherwise I feel I'm doomed. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee.
What we got here?
Freshwater shower.
Bit of rain overnight. It's full.
So fresh.
We parked up just around that corner last night, and then it was meant to be calm all night because it was coming from the north, and then nope, it blew up an easterly, howling down there, and so we had to shift at about 1 in the morning and ended up in this bay. So yeah, but lots of water.
Lots of rain. Ah.
Scoop it out, eh? It was full up. It's like a spa pool in here. Cooks in the kitchen.
Got the feeling in your bones.
Coming into sands. Being becalmed. Not much wind today, but we're heading in to drop off Mum and Dad. Been with us for 5 or 6 days now.
The sun has got me on my track.
I'm Sandspit Marina. Jobs day!
Oh my.
Howdy. We're in Sandspit Marina. Came in this morning in the rain, but we're parked up and we are going to get about 2 to 3 days of jobs. And job number 1, ticked off, outboard. Come on, give another look. Outboard protector, what is it?
Excuse me.
Outboard holder.
Rubbish of all the wet laundry. Toolbox. Whoa. What do we got here? Right. Rubbish everywhere. So Dan's new plate holder. Dinghy that I found a nice bit of wood that we can make a seat. And just a mess, really.
Just a mess, but we're gonna get jobs done.
It's been raining for 2 days non-stop, so everything is wet. The carpet, everything. Dan loves his outboard.
Yeah. Service done. Woo! Stoked. So we got new diesel filter, new oil filter, new oil, engine oil, new transmission oil, coolant filled up. So everything, and belts all made to fit. So bang on.
Leaving Sandspit Marina, and now we're heading to Kawaua. Great stay, Gary was excellent, so thanks for having us, and now we're going into a storm.
About 2 days we got a cyclone coming for us. Feels quite strange leaving a safe anchorage to go into the ocean. Just give it a little bit to warm into the new oils. Yeah? We're in New Zealand. Kate's on the fish.
arrived in beautiful cove at the back of Kawaua. Dan's doing a workout this morning. Dan's new cover he made. And it's a beautiful afternoon.
Time to go get dinner. Hey, Captain. Manually feed the chain around so we don't mutt the splicing. Yeah, we're on.
Got a few things happening, Dan. The rope's out and the ladder.
The rope's out, the ladder's out. Sort those out to use. There's a rope I found on the beach. I'm going to use it for my snubbing line. Stoked. There we go. Halyard, take it round. Gets on the head of the sail, on the left side. Just goes in like that. Cool. And then you've got your blue halyard here. So you get that already. Alright, swing us into wind, babe. So you're into wind when that arrow right up the top, the tail is in that middle of that diamond.
Not much wind.
Not much wind, but there's a lot of wind around that corner. And sails are ready to go. Coming around. Feel free to speak amongst yourselves. And we're up. Put that up, then go around the winch, down, lock off, and crank it up. And then once you're fully cranked, you just tie off. Like that, and we're good. Clean up the ropes. Let's go.
You can see that's sharp. Probably not, but
Pedalboard time. Pedalboard adventures.
Thank you for those who've been commenting. We've been loving the support. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We are really excited for our next episode, and it may include cyclones and dolphins.